Hey there, Dr. Karen here, and today I want to talk a little bit about panic attacks and grounding techniques. This comes up all the time in my practice. People say, what do I do when I'm having a panic attack? And first of all, I just want to mention that panic attacks are different for everybody. It could just be a high level of anxiety, when you feel a physiological response to a situation like increased heart rate, sweating, just kind of feeling kind of amped up, all the way to like hyperventilating. You can't breathe, can't really think, you're in your lizard brain. But here are some grounding techniques. First, you want to focus on the breath, like take deep breaths, like in for 5, out for 5, maybe do that 5 times. And then a grounding technique is kind of being aware of your physical environment. So, okay, I'm sitting here. I can feel my feet on the floor. I have my hands on my knees, my butt in the chair. And then, I don't know, I can see the sunlight coming in, like a couple of visual cues, and then what you could smell, maybe something you could hear. You could hear the AC running, hopefully, and all this heat. And then there's movement, you could dance around, stretch, kind of move. And one of the most amazing things is getting outside or taking off your shoes and walking in grass. I had a video that I had recorded up in Austin. There was such beautiful grass up there on the UT campus, but just walking in the grass, that's super grounding. The Japanese talk about forest bathing, getting out in nature. And I realize all that's not necessarily realistic, in the context of, okay, right now I'm having anxiety. But those are just a few tips for coping with anxiety and panic attacks. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions, and I'm always here. Dr. Karen, thank you.